Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can find your Redmi Buds 5 via the Xiaomi Earbuds app. So the first step is to open the Xiaomi Earbuds app. Then from here, scroll and select Find Your Earphones. Then next, you should see three options. You can see left, right, and both. So if you're looking for your left earphone, you can just tap on it and the sound should be produced. If you're looking for your right, tap on that. You should hear sound and you'll be able to track them. If you're looking for both, then you can just tap on the both option and should be able to find them. However, it's important to note that this only works as long as your earphones are connected to the app. You'll notice that when I put the buds back in the case and then I close the case like that and wait for it to disconnect, that the Find Your Earphones feature is no longer colorful. It means it's grayed out, which means I won't be able to use it to track down my Redmi Buds 5. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.